I am Yusuf Denizli. I was born in Gölcük Kocaeli. My grandfather struggled with agriculture for years and was very successful. In order to continue this, we decided to enter a sector we love. I worked as a factory worker in a private sector in Gölcük for 10 years. He also has his difficulties, like the shift thing. Actually, these did not tire me. I fell in love with this job because I love agriculture and soil. I am very happy right now because I am engaged in agriculture. Agriculture has become an indispensable passion for me. I learned that no matter how different I do, I must have some land on my side. When I went there, I saw how beneficial it was for me to look at the trees, look around, then pick up a pickaxe and make a hoe. And how much the city depressed me. I am constantly researching. I'm always looking to add something. Thanks to the people around me, they support me very much in this regard. Of course, we see their financial and moral support and do something. But there's this part. Agriculture is a very difficult job. Land work does not end with just living in the city and having 3 to 5 acres of land to do it. As much as you care for a child, a baby, the soil, and the tree, you need to take care of it in the same way. The more you care for the soil, the more it will love you. You will start to love it more than the soil. Because our biggest deficiency in the future will be our food-related problems. I aim to reduce dependence on foreign production regarding production, produce within ourselves, make things more innovative and technological, direct agriculture, and make Turkey one of the important agricultural countries in the world. This is my future goal. In other words, we attach great importance to future generations. When it rains for 3 days, it puts us 1 week and 10 days ahead. This is an important period for us. Now farmers work in winter, yes. While you are sitting in your office, for example, in a warm place, I am trying to tell you something here at 2 to 3 degrees. We spread animal manure on 50 hectares. Goats, sheep, cattle. We do not use farm manure for these either. We collect manure from animals in villages and barns. Because the animals in the village go out and graze more. They get more sun and their fertilizers are different. So that's the truth of the matter. At the right time, right fertilization, right pesticide application. We follow these according to the weather conditions. Regionally, conditions are not the same everywhere, because there are regional climate differences, humidity differences, and soil differences. That's why you need to know your land well and live as a whole. I am calling out to young people here, especially to young people who are our future. I attach great importance to this and try to encourage it. Whatever you do, don't give up on the land. The further we move away from the soil, the more trouble we will have in the future. Even if we cannot make money today, we will definitely be able to make money from it one day. We need to instill how beautiful and enjoyable this job is. The more consciously we do it and the more products we plant that are suitable for the region, the more profitable it will be for us. Otherwise, everything grows all over Turkey. The important thing is to achieve efficiency. The main technical issue when achieving this efficiency is pruning. Pruning, shape pruning, and productivity pruning will contribute to the tree next year. It will ensure that your product is of better quality next year. Periodic maintenance thereafter is fertilizing and spraying. Before fertilizing, soil analyses are required, just as blood tests are performed on humans. It can vary even in the same field. If our values are normal or abnormal in the blood test, there are also blood-like elements in the soil. If we know these elements properly, we can fertilize accordingly. We take our medicine at the right time. Agriculture has existed since the world was founded. This agriculture will continue until the end of time. Rather than poisoning our soils, we need to nourish our soils properly and act organically. If we use the right pesticides and fertilizers at the right time and make the right moves, we will be much more productive. The better quality our product will be. Maybe we can even export those products abroad. This is one of the important issues. We get support from experts and professors. We are trying to do more professional work, because a person cannot know everything. Especially agricultural work is exactly like being a doctor. For example, in medicine, I give an example. We cannot compare an orthopedist with an internal medicine doctor, because the branches are different in both. This is the same in agriculture. For example, whether it is plant cultivation, plant nutrition or other technical subjects, all departments are different. The farmer is actually in the middle of this. But it has some shortcomings. How do district agriculture district directorates exist? When you go there, engineers also have different departments. Farmers get information from there and add something extra to their own. We chose such a path. There are professors and experts we work with, too. Thank you. There are devoted agricultural engineers who love us. We are also in dialogue with them. I would like to end my last words as follows. I wish you to keep farming. Have a nice day.